We just installed the 2014 to 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. What a difference it makes in this vehicle. Look, it's compatible with the factory scroll wheel, which feels super awesome, or you can also reach out and touch it. Of course, it's going to be fully touchscreen. This system installs into your factory screen, adding wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. Let's walk you through some of the features. Unlike cheap replacement screens from low-end manufacturers, we've designed a super premium board that installs into your factory screen and adds the functionality right into your factory screen, so you don't change any look or feel of your vehicle. It will keep all of your factory features. You can see switching into reverse will bring your backup camera, and back to park or drive brings you right back to where you left off. No matter which music app you use, you'll have easy access to it in CarPlay. Coming back to the home screen, the same goes for navigation. You can see whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, Siri will read your directions.
Starting route.
This is so much better than the factory navigation.
Proceed to Corporation Parkway.
You can enter destinations either on the screen here or directly on your phone. Any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here. Our system, unlike lower-end systems on the market, uses your factory microphone. This means phone calls, text messages are a breeze. As well, you can trigger Siri with the voice speech button, and she can hear you super easily. Text Parker.
What do you want to say to Parker?
I really like this Toyota.
It says, I really like this Toyota. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
You can have Siri call out your messages while you're on the road, or you can easily open the Messages app and you can click on the names and Siri will read you the messages. It makes texting and driving so much safer and easier. If we come over here, this is your split screen view where you'd have your navigation and your music. This system does not compromise any of your factory functionality. Long holding the voice speech button brings you right back to your factory system, where you could easily continue to use your XM radio or your AM or FM radio. You won't lose any functionality of your vehicle. Once again, we'll long hold that voice speech button and come right back into CarPlay. If you have any questions about the installation, we have a full installation video. It's pretty straightforward on our YouTube channel. Of course, you can also give us a call, 919-858-2890, or check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. We appreciate your business.